Your bank stole 940 euros from you this year, and you probably didn't even notice. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how they did it, and more importantly, how to get that money back starting today. Most people think banks are safe, fair, and maybe even generous. What if I told you that they've been taking hundreds of euros every single year and calling it normal? Stick around till the end because I'm gonna show you a real alternative that pays you way more than any bank will. Over 10% per year on your money, gives you 3% cashback, and even gives you free $25 when you sign up. Let's expose how banks are robbing us starting right now. So you work hard, you save your money, you do everything the right way. You move these 10,000 euros to your saving accounts in your bank and you're thinking that you're doing the right thing. Now, let's look at what you actually earn from this money. In most European countries right now, traditional banks are paying only 0.25% interest per year. That means that on 10,000 euros, you make...
Wait for it.
25 euros for the entire year. That's 2 euros per month. That's also half a cup of coffee in most countries in Europe. Meanwhile, your bank is lending out this exact money that you deposited for 5, 10, and sometimes even 15% borrow rate in credit cards, for example. And who's making the profits? Not you, the bank. You put the hard work and the banks make the money. They take the reward. And do they offer you perks like cashbacks on transactions, on your spending? Probably not. And if they do, maybe it's like maximum 1% on every transaction. Usually it's the first few months just to lure you in and then boom, it's gone. No cashbacks. You just don't get any money. So here's the truth. These banks are making 20 to 40 times more on your money rather than you are making from this money that you work hard for, and they're using your savings as their business fuel. That's not a service or a partnership. It's just a robbery in plain sight. Now here is where it gets interesting. Because there is a new kind of financial system emerging, one that flips this entire model upside down. And it's called neobanks. Think of it as the next generation bank account, the one that actually works for you. You probably heard about Revolut or Wise, but in this video I'm going to show you the one that is actually way better than all of those. I use it every single day and it's called EtherFi. Let me break it down for you. Number one, cashback. On every transaction you make, you get cashback to your account. Right away, in cash. You can spend it again or maybe save it. Groceries, gas, Uber, Netflix, online shopping, you name it. Everything you do, you get the money back. 3% flat. Now, I want you to think about it. If you spend 2,000 euros per month, that's 720 euros that you get back every single year. That's a lot of money that you're earning here. Number two. Yield on your savings. When you deposit US dollars or euros into EtherFi, your money works for you and earns 10.7% per year. This is just from holding stable assets. No trading, no complicated staking with DeFi and crypto. It's really simple, it's really straightforward, and in 2 clicks, your money is just starting to earn for you. And you can spend it. So if you spend it, you earn cashback. And while it's just there, you earn this awesome interest. So if we take the previous example with the banks, instead of earning 25 euros per year on your 10,000 euros, this time you're going to earn around 1,000 euros per year. This is 40 times more than what you would earn in any traditional bank in Europe. And this is with zero effort. Now I want to talk about number 3. You can literally use this money anywhere, either using Apple Pay or Google Pay with your virtual card, or you can even order and get a super cool physical card directly to your home, and then you can use it or maybe even withdraw cash in ATMs. To summarize, your money keeps growing whether you spend it or you just save it. Let's run the real numbers side by side. Traditional banks, on your savings you will get 25 euros per year. Cashback, probably zero. Total, 25 euros per year. With EtherFi, you get 10% per year. This is 1,000 euros per year for the same 10,000 euros invested. And if you spend 2,000 euros per month, this is 720 euros per year, according to 3% cashback that you currently get. In total, 1,700 euros per year that you earn, compared to 25 euros that you would earn in your traditional bank. That's 1,675 euros every single year difference that you're right now losing. So when I said that the bank stole 940 euros from you, this is the conservative version of this math that we see right here. Realistically, it's 1,500 euros or even more per year just gone. And that's the cost of staying with outdated financial systems instead of evolving and using new technology and new financial systems. And you might be thinking right now, okay, Johnny, this is too good to be true. What's the catch? Let's go through it quickly. Is it safe? EtherFi is a decentralized system that is based on smart contracts that were audited and reviewed by the top tier security researchers out there. Currently, there are billions of dollars being deposited to all these liquid vaults, both in Bitcoin, in ETH, you can see here the numbers, and even liquid USD stablecoins, $75 million deposited. So I would say that in my opinion, it's quite safe, but you do your own research. Next question, is it complicated? Not at all. The app looks like a modern bank account app. You can use a web application, or they also have an iPhone and Android app, which is very intuitive. You just sign up, verify your account, fund it, and start using it right away. You don't need to be some crypto expert or guru in order to use it. It's pretty simple. Next question, what about taxes? For most people, spending money or earning money through EtherFi doesn't create taxable events because you're actually spending money, not selling profits or tokens. But I do recommend always to check your local country rules and maybe consult with an accountant. And the rates, they're so high. What's the catch? Is it going to be like this forever? My answer is probably not. Look, these rates are there because they're taking advantage of different opportunities that happen in DeFi and crypto. There are a lot of blockchains and protocols out there that are paying and incentivizing users to provide liquidity in form of USD, ETH, or BTC. Now we're in a bull market and these incentives are quite high because there are a lot of volume and activity on the blockchain, but it might go down. But how further will it go down? Maybe 7, 8%. This is still way better than any outdated bank will pay you. So to sum it up, they can go up or down based on the DeFi markets, but even the lowest rates that you will get there crash any traditional bank. Last question, how do I get started? Well, the whole process is super simple and it takes less than 5 minutes. First step, you click the link in the description below to get extra $25 when you sign up. This is a special link that I got as a KOL, and when you use it, you get this benefit. When you sign up, you just start with $25 for free. Step 2, verify your account with a photo of your ID. This takes about 2 minutes, but bear in mind that some countries are not yet supported and might be supported in the future. Step 3, fund your account either through crypto transfer, or you can even transfer money from your old outdated account that drops you directly to your EtherFi account. Step 4, deposit this money into the liquid vaults. Step 5, create your card and add it to Apple or Google Pay, or maybe even order a physical card to your home. Congratulations, now you will earn a lot of cash back every time you use it, and your savings will grow every single day. Alright, now it's your turn. Click the link in the description below, grab those free $25 and start earning more today. If this video helped you understand how banks have been quietly robbing you for years, smash that like button so more people can see it and break free from this traditional banking trap. Subscribe for more videos where I expose financial systems that keep you broke and reveal the tools that help you win instead. Drop your comment below and tell me how much your bank is paying you right now, because once you see the number, you will never settle for it again. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao.